Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, and today is the day that we are leaving for a 5-hour drive to Virginia. Today is the day, and don't mind me here, guys. I'm gonna take my hair out, but I'm not gonna do any makeup or nothing because I want to get ready when I get there. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, so we already got everything packed. We just going to clean it up in here a little bit and put everything in the car. Then we'll be on the way, and I'm gonna show you guys how many bags we got, even though it's only for a week. All the bags ready to go. Ready.
Coming.
Hi, Ju.
Hi, Mia.
Hi, Mia.
Hi.
So hot today.
Yes, hot.
My big helper. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
For a 5-hour drive? Yeah? Juju. He's tired, guys. He always go to sleep late.
Mommy.
Yes?
Car seat.
You sitting in your car seat?
Yeah.
I am not ready for this 5-hour drive. Lucky it's just only 5 hours, guys. Okay, guys, we finally made it. The car ride was not that long, but when we almost got here, it was so much traffic, guys. And then we had to stop at Burger King to get a little snack because we're so hungry. We didn't eat nothing all day. But later we are going to his aunt's house for a barbecue. So we are checking into our inn that we staying at. So yeah, I will show you guys when I get inside how it looks like and stuff. It's not nothing fancy, just a place to stay for a week, you know. What you got?
A pig.
You got french fries? So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. So guys, we're in our room. I'm gonna show you guys a little quick little room tour, whatever. So this is where you walk in, and we got 2 beds, a chair over here, a light, a fridge, a microwave, and a TV,
Open it.
and stuff to put the clothes in,
Yeah, open it, Mommy.
a little desk, a sink right here. There's me. Hi.
No food. Mia.
And then the shower and the toilet.
The fish.
Yeah.
We need to buy food.
We need to buy food.
Yeah. What's that?
So this is the room. She got M&M stain on her shirt. Good job. See the M&M stain on her shirt. Don't mind it. So I already came and I already started putting all the stuff that we need because my toner is spilled, guys. So sad. I got a little bit left, but that should last. And they're already fighting. Already. Great.
Sleep.
You have to sleep?
Yeah.
How you sleep?
I'm trying to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
I'm excited. Mommy,
She is so happy. She is too happy to be on vacation right now. Look at her. She's beating up her dad. This is our overview. Over there, guys, it's supposed to be a pool, but they're not open because it's still a new place. I'm so sad because it's fixing it. But it's so hot. We're on our way soon to his aunt's house. I'm not doing no makeup today, guys. It's too hot for all of that, but yeah. Look at the kids.
drop it.
They're so excited. A bit mascara, no lashes. car. Little bit. Cause the girl ain't got nothing. Amelia. She in a rush to go. Amelia, you in a rush to go? Back in the car we go. Girl. You wanna go home? They wanna go home. They are so over dramatic sometimes, guys. Good morning, guys. It's another day. Today is beach day. Julian ready? Amelia's ready. Say hi. Amelia. But we are going to go eat pho first because we are hungry. Look how nice it is today. Look how nice. Beautiful. Here. Here.
I don't know what is it.
We just finished eating, guys. Now we are back in the car. We are waiting for all his family so we can be on the way to go to the beach. And it's a lot of us today, so today's gonna be a fun day. And I'm sorry I didn't vlog us at the party yesterday, Amelia, because I wanted to spend time with his family and stuff, so that's why I didn't vlog. But I am trying to vlog as much as I can for you guys, but also enjoy my little vacation. So I hope you guys appreciate what I do bring out to the table for this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy. But yeah, we're just waiting, and I will record when we are at the beach. So hot. Hi, Jude. Look at his dad all the way over there, guys. All the way over there. Hi, babe. Jojo. Look at this beach. It's so beautiful. Amelia don't want to get in the water, guys. She just want to play in the sand. Look, Julie and Daddy. It feels so good, guys. It's so beautiful out. It's so beautiful. Hi, Ju. You have fun? Did you, Mia? He's still in the water. Somewhere over there. Oh my God, guys. This water feels so good because it's so hot outside. Like, look at my face. Julian don't want to get in the water. He just eating ice, and Amelia just standing here eating ice as well. But it's so beautiful. Got a pina colada. Good. The kids wanted hot dogs. We got them some hot dogs. Amelia without the bun. More family came. Look at him. Sex. Baby girl now, she's cold. The water's getting a little bit cold, but it feels so good. We still here. Julian eat a pizza now. Say hi, Julian.
I'm flying in the water.
She fell in the water, but it feels so good, guys. It's so much fun. Like, if I show you guys, like a pool in the back, there's like a bar place. That's where I got my drink. You pay $15, but it have everything. Music, live music. This is the best beach I ever went to, Virginia. It's called Paradise. So if you guys want to come down one day and check it out. It's so beautiful here. Look at this, beautiful. My family. Okay, guys, we just got back to the place we're staying at, and we all took a shower. As you can see, I got a sunburn on my nose. But yeah, we all took a shower and we getting dressed because we are going to go eat. Yes, we are going to go eat at a barbecue spot with his family. So yeah, once everybody get ready and stuff, we're gonna be on our way to the barbecue spot. And I'm so hungry, guys. I didn't even eat nothing besides the pho this morning, so you know I'm about to grub. Change of plan, Buffalo Wild Wings, because everything over here closes at 9 and this is the one only place that open. Gotta get Juju. Come on, Ju. Buffalo Wings. Hi, Ju. Hi, Kolai. Lemonade, strawberry lemonade. What you got, Amelia? Apple juice? Apple juice? Our food here. Tacos.
What kind of marinade?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we just got back, but that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.